Hi, my name is Mei Yuk. Today I want to show you how to do a felt art craft. And here I can show you what I have done before. This is one about NHS. So I want to show my appreciation for what they have done for the country. And like you can see, there are two both sides, different pattern of design. And this is another one I have done in Chinese. I put a word "Hey Mong," it means hope here, and then on the other side is more like a abstract design. Okay, so what you need to have to make this art and craft is you need some felt, and I like to use felt because felt is very colorful and a very easy material to use. And then you need obviously you need some thread. This is a very useful one because they are nice and thick enough to show the pattern on your design. If you don't have this at home, doesn't matter, you can use ordinary thread. It's just the effect may be a bit different. Okay, and then obviously you need some needles, and they have different size of needles, and safety pin, and some need this kind of pins as well. And then you need some stuffing, like a cotton or spongy stuff. I have this from my old pillow, and I just save it. I think I might use it for like a puppet or anything else. And then a piece of paper, and a pencil, and a pair of scissors. And I think these are all the things you need to have. Or maybe one more thing, ribbon. If you don't have ribbon, it doesn't matter. Maybe some sort of string. I got the ribbon actually from some old wrapping packages from a present. So those are very anything you think in the house you have, just make use of them. One more design, you can see this little umbrella. This little umbrella I made it is to support Hong Kong umbrella movement in 2014. Now I can start to show you how to make them the art. Firstly, you need to think about your design. For me, I'm making like the heart shape, so I need to draw and cut out a heart shape pattern so that I can use it to cut out with the files later. And with your design, you need to think about what sort of pattern images you are going to have, or some sort of messages. And like me, I have the word hope in Chinese here. And now I'm thinking about I want to make one for my sister, and because her birthday is coming soon. So I just draw my pattern, my image and ideas on the piece of paper, and then cut it out. After I cut it out, then I use the felt to put the paper on top of it, and then use the pin to fix it in the position before. Say I have a few pins that's done, and then next step is to use a pencil to draw the outline so that I can use the scissors later to cut it out. So once you cut it out your pattern, and you also need to think about what else will be on top of the pattern and the design. So for me, I want to do maybe some abstract images, and also another words like happiness in Chinese. So like here, I have outlined the word "hoisam" here, happiness, and then I started to use the needle to do my stitches. I just show you quickly how to do the needle. So you got say get a needle, then you use one side of your thread. I will do it like this, and then I push through the needle eye. Okay, and then what you need to do is to make a knot at the end of the thread. So I do it like this, put it like this, and then so you can see here's the knot. So I started from the bottom, the inner side of the felt, and then started to do like stitch by stitch. So basically the stitches, simple stitches, you put it down and then you come back, put it down, come back. Okay, so now you can see I've done a few stitches here, overlap the outline I have put down. Okay, so assume you have done this side, and then the other side you can think about, say for me, I want to do some abstract patterns, so I use all this offcut felt I have saved previously. And so when you have your cutout, just keep those offcuts. It is quite useful for your future decoration. So I will put it on top of here, and maybe I will cut a little bit of the yellow and do some sort of imaginative pattern. Okay, so I just put the two, something like this. Say I just put the two overlap together like this, and then you can use the safety pin again, the pin, this kind of pin again, to fix the position before you started to sew them, make the stitches. Okay, so after you put the finished both sides, you're happy with it, and then you can start to put them together. So like here, I have make this together. One side, on one side is a little bird, on the other side I said healthy. So, and then I started to make the stitches bit by bit, step by step, and then up to here I haven't finished, and I'm not going to carry on because I need to put some stuffing inside. So this sponge or cotton wool, anything you can imagine is suitable. So I put it in, and then can make it a bit more like a 3D sculptural size. Yeah, so I put the last bit of the sponge inside, then I can start to finish off these stitches and sewing. Okay, so I just do it like this. So assume I have finished them, all the stitches, and it's final. What I need to do next is to put some sort of ribbon or string somewhere around here to fix it. So again, it's quite easy thing to do. You just need to put the ribbon in the right position that you like to have. Say I want to put it on this side, then I started to put my ribbon there. Okay. Let's see. Okay. So then I put it back. So basically I just do a few stitches here to fix it. Okay. So at the end, you will have something like this. So I hope you will start to do your design and make something nice for yourself or for your friends or family member. You can use your own language or make have a message or whatever. Hopefully you will do something nice. Okay, thank you very much. Bye.